So in today's video we're going to look at wiring some trailer lights up and fixing some brackets on the trailer. First job, towing eyes. So we've got a trailer light here. I'm taking it, that'll be the indicator, because it's a single light. Yep. And then there'll be the brake light and the side light. Yeah. So I've got 4 wires, got some 6 core, 2, 4, 6, sorry 7 core, but we'll only be using 4 cores of this because we've got no fog light on the trailer and no reverse lights on the trailer. So simply solder these together. So we'll do exactly the same on the other light. So loop same on the other side, just loop it all through. So that'll stop if you ever leak plug-in tractor by accident, it pulls. It shouldn't pull the cables and do all the wiring. I'll put that in there. And then now we can just identify each wire, touch it on, see which one does which, and then we'll just join them appropriately. And then once I get to the plug, I'll get a diagram, and I believe it's like left indicator, right indicator, side lights, brake lights, earth, no fog light and no reverse light. So that wired up. That's cool. So this, my idea was to put this in there and I'll put some wire mesh over. So I'll put these bits on. And this last tube what goes through will be the slightly bigger than the where the awning comes out, because this is where the awning will fasten to these. So I've just used my soldering iron and I've just put like a countersink in top, and hopefully this should seal the ends of the like the nylon cord. I actually got this tip off a lad who watches my channel. I also watch his channel, and he's called Tinkering Taylor, so have a look at his channel, he makes me giggle. A good lad. So I got this off him. He was a soldering, I think he sealed some like garden fabric, but check him out.